Vancouver, a crash on the Burrard Street Bridge southbound at the south end in the right lane. There's also a crash in Abbotsford on Highway 1 eastbound after Bradner Road in the left lane. We're seeing traffic slow and backed up all the way to 264th this time, and we're seeing emergency crews on scene. Hopefully they'll have this resolved very shortly, but I'll have more coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, let's get all that laundry in there so that we can get on some cabinets this weekend. Wow, I have a mountain of laundry with a sock maraschino cherry on the top. So let's get out of here. We're actually going to kick the door closed because there is no hope of using your hands. So let's get into Kim's. Nice. No one's in here. Perfect. We're going to grab this first washer. As you can tell, I'm not that worried about color selection. I don't color sort my laundry. I just shove it all in there with a Tide Pod, put it on hot, and that's the way it is. Okay, let's make some lunch. I'm super hungry. I haven't had breakfast, missed lunch. This is a good chance. I tell you guys all the time, if you've got a laundromat with hot and cold running water and a clean laundry sink, this is the part where I grab hot water in this bucket and I wash everything in this van for the week. Countertops, my stove, all the knobs, all the doors, even the floor. I wipe myself out, so let's go get some water. Okay, so while we're at the laundromat for about 45 minutes, we're just gonna have a quick lunch, easy lunch. There's that clean laundromat there, Kim's Coin Laundry. Can't say enough good things about it. We're gonna open this vent fan. It is super warm in here. Beautiful. So I don't know what you guys have in your pantry on a limited income. And right now, this is going to come to an end soon, this crazy kitchen, but I'll show you what I have today for lunch, and this is what we're going to do and how we're going to make it. I'm working on a kitchen last weekend, the weekend before, and now this weekend. I hope to have it made soon. This is my kitchen since November when I picked up these cabinets off Facebook Marketplace, if you're just tuning in. So the hope this weekend is to get the framing done and put them in better so that they meet together and they're up a little bit and they don't scrape on the floor. We're really hoping to get that task done because after that we can put that beautiful live edge on the top and have a proper kitchen. So as you can see, my pots are just like falling out, my bins on the side. It's miserable. So we're gonna kick it closed. And in this cupboard there's some dry goods. There's some of my beautiful Silver Hills I love so much, but what we're after is just a bale of noodle soup at the moment. We're gonna doctor our noodle soup up a little bit, go into my lovely fridge option. Looks like I'm needing ice, you guys. It's about halfway down, and that cream will be rotten by the end of the day if I don't do something about that. But what we're looking for are a couple of wieners out of here. Okay, so it looks like we finally have a boil. Let's turn it down. Nice. People are in this parking lot. Sometimes they park beside me. They're like, what? What I did is cut up 2 wieners. We're gonna throw them in there and turn it back up a little bit and boil these wieners. Nothing like a little bit of greasy wiener water with your soup, right? I bought a package of wieners yesterday. It was $6. I ate 2 of them with wieners and beans last night for dinner, and now we're gonna have 2 of them with this soup here for lunch. And guess what we're having for dinner? The other 2, right? With some chili. And we're gonna have chili dogs in a different town if we ever get out of here with our laundry. So let's pop the noodles in, right? Okay, so these ladies just parked beside me, and they're very gracious and kind of smiling, and then they're like, "Oh, what are you doing?" I said, "Oh, I'm just having lunch." Yeah, they're going into the nail salon over there. I've never had a nail job in my life. Nice ladies, very pretty ladies. They're like, "What are we having for lunch?" I said, "Oh, we're just having some oriental noodle soup with some weenies." And they're like, "Oh yeah?" Honestly, I think it looks smashing. Like, how is that bad? I think we need to go put our laundry in the dryer and get out of this mini mall. Get on that #1 freeway and get to Chilliwack because I really want to get my cabinetry on. Okay, so I hate to break it to you, but we're not going to put it in a fancy bowl with utensils because we're still living van life at the basics, and right now I'm just going to eat it right out of my pot because I really don't want to do more dishes, and also I just have a plastic bowl and it will kind of melt the plastic of the bowl, so I'd rather just eat it out of my pot. And it's looking pretty good, actually. If you really want to know it, it's pretty good. I don't think those 2 ladies that went to the nail salon were very impressed. What are we having for lunch? Noodle soup and wieners. What are we having tonight? Can of chili with wieners. When I get my kitchen together, I'll have a couple decent china bowls and plates that I can wash every day. But right now I just have like disposable bowls and plates and utensils. And why not just eat out of the pot? Smells like greasy wiener water. They plumped up. That's weird. Yeah, tastes like boiled wieners. Tastes like poor lady soup. That's what it tastes like. Tastes like poor man soup. Let's roll up the clothes, put them away. Let's get out. It is much too nice to be sitting here, and I am done laundry. It's not that shady, but it's not bad. So this is where we're gonna deconstruct the cabinets. We're actually gonna put them on that sidewalk. Okay, I've got all the cupboards emptied out, and now I'm just gonna start taking them out. The last owner of the van gave me quite a few things for the van that he wasn't going to use, and here is that beautiful sink. So inside the box, I just kind of put everything related to the sink when I first got the van. So I don't really know what's in here. I think there's a water pump in here. It says water pump. It also says faucet. So I'm not really sure. We'll have to open that about a week down the road when we install all the parts in the cabinets and the live edge, and we'll see what's in there. Hopefully we have everything we need. This is a box of very strong magnets, and man, are they ever handy. I tack up my towels, everything with them. So these are them. Whoa, see? He bought a ton of these magnets and they're really great. So those are in there. Marine grade hose barb adapter, 1 1/4 thread to 3/4 and 1 inch hose. Perfect. Have no idea. Here is some plumber's putty, which you need because you're going to make a worm and then you set the drain in, right? That's how that happens. And here is this drain plug. I looked it up last year. It's like a $30 drain plug to go with this sink. Marine grade, straight drain. Nice. I mean, he had great plans for this van. He just couldn't complete it. I don't know. That looks like a pump. I really don't know. I haven't opened it. I really don't know. There's a mystery bag, okay, guys? Now that we have both cabinets out, I'm gonna flip this one upside down, screw this pre-measured and pre-painted piece on, and it should give it enough clearance off the floor so the doors swing nicely and freely. Shouldn't be too hard. But I do have to reconstruct a better wheel well. This one was made in haste. Sometimes you just do what you do when you can. I needed it to go together at the time. It's not square. It's actually pretty bad if you look at the build of it, and it's really thin wood and it's warping. So I'm gonna make a better version of this to go over my wheel well right now, so we can make one cabinet sit on here today. Let's take it apart and keep the materials. I put all the screws in my pocket, and then I do laundry at Kim's, and the lady says to me, oh, you put screws in my dryer. No kidding. So I try and check my pockets now for her. Nice day to build outside. There's a guy who's literally gonna pull wheelies with his bike. Watch. That was excellent. All right, so they're learning on that bike. They're learning tricks on it. Okay, so we have 3 nice pieces of framing that we're just going to put one in there, one in here, and one over there. Very nice. Let's put one in the top. All right, well, it's getting really late in the evening. It's near 5 o'clock, and I really want to wrap it up in the next 2 hours. I did a great job assembling this new wheel well with some reinforcement underneath it. I'll do a door at a later date. I do have a piano hinge. It's right there, but not today. So it's lined up pretty good along there. I do have an extra piece that raises it up there. and now the doors swing freely. So I'm just gonna secure it to the frame underneath, the wall there, and then I'm going to put an extra piece under that cabinet so it's raised up and it meets this one perfectly. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a quick summary of today. Today was all day Saturday, and although it doesn't look like much to you, maybe, it was a lot to me. It is 6 o'clock and I've been here for almost 6 hours. I took the old wheel well apart. I used my pre-cut pieces from last weekend that I painted, and I made a really nice frame that's permanent for that little cabinet. That's a cabinet that would fit above somebody's like range fan above their stove, right? So that's what that is actually. But I used it above my wheel well. So I made this nice little frame that's permanent. And then I raised those other doors so that they don't touch the floor and they go straight across. So how I did that was 2 extra little pieces of plywood that I had cut at Home Depot and I painted, and I put 1 under there, and then I had to put 2 under the second one though. It looks really great. Maybe tomorrow I'll paint out this backside. I might even put a really nice piece of plywood, like something like this. Remember this? This is a piece from the pantry we had, the shoe rack. I have nice bigger pieces, so I might paint a piece and make a really nice finished back on it here. I might do that tomorrow. I don't know. You know, as you build your van, you come up with new and creative ideas. You're like, wait a minute, I was gonna do this, but now. So I could put the live edge on there tomorrow, but honestly, I think I am going to finish this backside. We'll see how that goes tomorrow. I'm signing off for today. It's been a super long day, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me and watching my build. And I appreciate that you visit my channel and you watch it. So thank you very much. Tune in, and we'll continue the job tomorrow. But we're gonna get this kitchen finished in the next 2 days. So I hope you have a very good, what was that? I hope you have a very good Saturday night, and I'm gonna let you go have a shower at Planet Fitness. I will see you on the next one.